come across a percorso pedonale or attraversamento pedonale like this, or you come across this ciclabile like this, so you must surely slow down or even stop make bicycle fair pass. Bicycle no go stop for you because every bicycle, especially the Europeans, they don't know say that you want to stop. You feel the feel now say bicycle see say you be motor, bicycle stop for you, and that bicycle not stop, you go jam am. Then now you they go hold because they go come question how you take get patenta and all those kind of things. If you can affect patente, and if you give us the right, more go to pay muta, we will not supposed to pay. Make we will pray say we not kill the person where they drive the bicycle because we forget say we supposed to give am presidenza. The rules where they done say give am presidenza. Give am right of way. So for this pista chiclabile, we want to read the question. Maybe we see whether it corresponds with what I dey explain. As we get initio, and so we see get fine. Number one question, I'm not too sure for the textbook, for the screen. I read that from my textbook. I'm very sorry for those who never get a textbook, both those who don't order and who never see this in our hand. I know say teacher they work on the way, or even secretary they work on the way, we don't give you now the textbook. Okay, number one. Il segnale figurato è posto in corrispondenza di una corsia riservata alle biciclette. They don't use the word corsia now, which to say na lane wey dey reserve for make bicycle dey pass. E dey correspond to the lane wey be say they don't give that lane, say they reserve this lane make bicycle dey pass this lane. Motor no go fit pass there, na for bicycle to dey pass that lane. Okay. Number two. Il segnale figurato è posto in corrispondenza di una percorso riservato alle biciclette. È vero. Now, they don't tell us the same thing, almost the same thing they tell us on number one. Say, once we see this signboard, then we say they don't post am for the correspondenza area where we say where they correspond, where go link to where bicycle they pass, and they reserve that corsia, or they reserve that lane just for bicycle. Number 3, il segnale figurato è posto in corrispondenza di un itinerario che si può percorrere solo con la bicicletta. Le biciclette è vero. Now, internal, when they say internal, it means they talk about inside something. Though they call the word itinerario, they say talk about inside something because now two lane on one lane already deal with this road. Sorry, say the picture not clear well. Beside this bicycle now, beside this bicycle for the other side, lane follow that place. That to say now carreggiata, now this one be the day before, but inside this carreggiata now this bicycle called day inside. Let me they use that word itinerario. In case you see for inside quiz, make you know say they talk about the bicycle lane wey dey inside carreggiata. Okay, now question back again to number 4. Number 4. Il segnale figurato è posto in corrispondenza di un percorso vietato alle autovetture e alle motociclo. È vero. This line, so they give us this corsia, they don't give bicycle. So once you see this signboard, you will be driver, make you know say they don't post down for where they see me bicycle they pass, and they don't forbid you where they drive motor to pass that place, and even person where they drive back to pass that place. So because they draw dual route for there, you know me saying a back they draw for there, and bicycle they draw for there because back now they get shame like the way bicycle they get shame. So the difference is clear once you see the picture. Okay, this one are fine. We already noted the fine. I'll read only 2 questions because fine are the most easiest thing all of us know for this patent. Number 1 question. Il segnale figurato è posto in corrispondenza della fine della pista ciclabile. È vero, è vero. You get it right for that place where they give us a sign warning. Il segnale 110 vieta il transito a chi pedona. That will say they not see me like they pass that place. So if we go easily pass that place, we are on our own. If bicycle jam us for there, that bicycle get right past us because not the way leg they pass, and where bicycle they pass. Number 4 question for you. Il segnale figurato è posto in corrispondenza della fine di una pista riservata alle biciclette. È vero. That pista come back again for there, make you remember saying where bicycle they pass. Okay? Because if you remember pista, you quickly remember ciclabile, joiner. Make you not forget. Say they not call it ciclabile, but they call it bicicletta. Now the same thing at the top once you get that pista. Okay, now. Il segnale 111 non impone alcuna vietato alle biciclette. È vero. This sign where they say finish to, it not impose any forbidding rules to bicycle. That will say, if bicycle see say this line don't finish, if you see find means, so you go take carry a bicycle pass road where be say be the drive they go ahead before, but you must use caution, make it not go for a victim of accident. But what you need to know now be say the rules will be given power before it don't finish. That not mean say because you don't see the end of this signboard, you can carry the bicycle for show that they work out they go. No, you go only find route where go ride reach house or ride reach work or ride reach office where they go. But the one if you give them power before, we let her know say nothing they happen before, like the way they say oh they it don't finish. Okay, now let's go again. 112 na the right pista ciclabile contigua a marcia piede. We go see the one we first do before. They draw only single bicycle. They not put person join now. But the one we can do now, they put person beside the bicycle. That will say the former rules before, where they for say they not tell leg make they pass am with bicycle. No be one can talk about now. One can talk about the new one wey be say now leg and bicycle na they pass that go see how they give them. Okay. So now, look example of the picture now. The example of the picture now be say, Kosia did that place. They put sideboard in the middle of the Kosia. That's go they pass the right hand side, while leg they pass the left hand side. So that will say this Kosia they reserve now for leg and bicycle. And this one akante, or you call it afiakante, because afiakante now side by side. So the main word they use mostly in akante. So you get what they call misto, maybe the one they did down. So this one are misto, which means they mix them together. They not separate the Kosia. They just separate the Kosia. See, bicycle they pass left, the other one they pass right. Two of them they pass out together. So if bicycle they come, you go be careful for leg. If left they come, you go be careful. Me not see jump bicycle, maybe that miss your own. Therefore, this account or after account or two of them they use the lane together. So when you drive bicycle, they come. You don't say that you want leg, they gather they use the lane. Be careful. When you see they pass that place, you see the side bus, they see that you want bicycle, they use the lane. Also be careful. Maybe say you know go the obstruct bicycle where they come. Now, let's read the question if it corresponds to the explanation. Number 1. Il segnale figurato è posto in corrispondenza dell'inizio di una pista ciclabile accanto al marcia ai piedi. All of us know to be marcia ai piedi. All of us know to be ciclabile. Now, they don't put am for road. They don't give us road. Now, they don't give us Kosia. We be say this Kosia, so once we see this signboard they correspond to the Kosia. We be say they put for there. The beginning of that Kosia, we go to know say na leg and bicycle. Then they use that Kosia. Number 2. Il segnale figurato è posto in corrispondenza dell'inizio di una corsia riservata alle biciclette accanto a un percorso pedonale. Now, they not going to use the word marciapiede. They can't use that word percorso pedonale because say person fit dey use there dey pass that place. Okay, è vero. That word accanto na the same thing, the same meaning with affiancante, but they cut am short here. They call it accanto, side with a bicycle. Okay. Number 3. Il segnale figurato è posto in corrispondenza dell'inizio di una pista riservata alle biciclette affiancata da una viale pedonale. È vero. They don't use the main full word wey dey common for we as Italian or we wey dey speak Italy. Now they try to tell us now say this signboard once we see am so e don mean say wey they dey post wey be say e don dey correspond to the beginning of where they reserve the Kosia dey reserve wey be say bicycle and leg go dey pass there side by side for that place. They use one word or there viale pedonale. All those small people dey fail me for quiz now dey talk so. I go dey expect to see percorso pedonale, I go go jam viale pedonale. I go dey expect to see marciapiede, I go go jam viale pedonale. So mark the word. They use viale pedonale, they use marciapiede, they use percorso pedonale. So this three word e dey inside this way so that you go take dey remember. Number 5. Number 4 plus times dey. Number 4. Il segnale figurato è posto in corrispondenza dell'inizio un percorso ciclabile accanto a un percorso pedonale, repeating the same word. È vero. Number 5. Il segnale figurato non consente la circolazione dei veicoli a motori. È vero. Any vehicle wey don dey use motor or anything wey don do wey get tire wey don dey use motor, e no go fit pass this place, especially vehicle. Let me call the point vehicle come outside. Because the lane flat with the main Kosia, e no mean say make you go dey ride dey pass that place. No, stay your lane. Let leg and bicycle stay their own lane. If we get initio, we get fine. This one na fine. This fine so we dey put for that place so e mean say the rules wey be give us power before, that rules don finish. So even though say we wan come pass that place, we need to be careful. Like here now, this bicycle now when they come now, the rules don finish. That one no mean say make e no cross that attraversamento wey dey that place so e go cross follow the other road. But the power wey dey come before now, that power don finish. Now na for him to come dey be careful dey side of road well make e no go enter motor wey dey use speed take dey come. But before him get the full confidence say I dey my own lane, motor sef go even dey give me my own chance. But that lane now don end. That one no mean say dem say make e no ride bicycle reach house again, but the lane don end. Il segnale 114 non costituisce una divieto per pedona o bicicletta. Na the same thing wey I fit explain. As far as say the signboard don't finish, so e no vietare perdona, e no vietare bicycle. But the signboard don't finish. It only tells you your rules where you begin don't finish, or your power where you begin don't finish. Let's read just two questions and move on. Number 2. Il segnale figurato è posto in corrispondenza della fine della pista ciclabile accanto a un percorso riservato ai pedoni. È vero. The place where the effect give there for side by side may be passed. That place don't finish. Once you see the signboard, no say this signboard they correspond to tell you say that place where they be give leg and bicycle to pass the same place, it don't finish. Number 4. Il segnale figurato è posto in corrispondenza della fine della percorso pedonale accanto a un percorso ciclabile. È vero. Their rules don't finish for there. Okay, now as now don't pass, we can call the other correct percorso pedonale e ciclabile. That will say another one again, another type of signboard we see resemble the kind we first see, but the little rules we call the now be say they not separate the road for them. Say you dey left, you dey right. Now they also the same one they use the road together. That will say now miss, then they go dey miss for inside that road. If bicycle they come, you go only your shift small. While leg go see they come go see cheap, so that the two will figure that use the road. They not cut leg now say you go dey left or you go dey right. So now make I be missed too. How you go to the know for quiz if they bring the question for you? The signboard of this one, first is dey up, bicycle dey down. But the signboard of account, which is after account, bicycle dey right or bicycle dey left. Now you go to the think and say that one is dey separate. So that the question wey dey that side, if the try come this side, you go say na fast o. If they throw the question wey dey this one, so wey dey missed o, come give you for after account o, tell you say na fast o, because e dey very common for quiz like that. They go wan retest your ability to know whether you know the signboard. They go bring the question of this account o, come give for missed o. They will carry the question of missed o, go give for account o. So you pay attention to know whether they dey right or wrong. Remember, na obligo we still dey do, na prescrizione and they still be. Okay. Number 1 question for here. Il segnale figurato è posto in corrispondenza di un percorso unico pedona e ciclisti. Unico just mean one, which is singular. So they try to tell us now, say that road now, na singular road wey they use together. So not be plural road, not be more than one road, not be more than one cosia. But the former one will not say anything like unico, because where that one so they know say that they use them together. If they want to write, they will write unica, but no need, they never write on there. So you first use some kind word, they mark your quiz, make it easy for you to remember their statement. Number 2. Il segnale figurato è posto in corrispondenza di una viale misto, riservato sia a pedona che ai ciclisti. È vero. This road wey this side dey sign for us, so wetin the sign refer to us? This sign dey refer to us. They tell us say this paragraph, this signboard. So once we see this signboard, make we know say they don post am for where they correspond. Where they correspond say leg and bicycle they mix together. Na they pass that road, they reserve for them. This è vero. Number 3. Il segnale figurato è posto in corrispondenza di un itinerario riservato solo a transito di pedona e ciclisti. È vero. Motor no fit pass here, motorcycle no fit pass here, so bike no fit pass here, motor no fit pass here. And they reserve for only leg and bicycle. And that word I fit tell you when you see itinerario, they talk about inside, and they talk about not be outside, they talk not be external, they talk about internal, and they talk external, not be outside, internal, not be inside. But they use the word for here, itinerario. Ok, number 4 question. Il segnale figurato non consente la circolazione della veicoli a motore. Veicoli a motore simply mean any vehicle wey get engine. So because of new students, make we dey remember wetin those kind of word mean. E plenty well well for almost all the quiz wey we dey do. Veicoli a motore, veicoli senza motore, the one wey no get engine. Veicoli a motore, the one wey get engine. As we dey get beginning for this signboard, na so dey get fine. There are some precaution for there, make we read down. E differenza della segnale 111, 112 e segnale 113 non prevede alcuna separazione tra il percorso di pedona e cicliste, ma non per questa prevede che le biciclette debbano essere condotte a mano. Okay. Now, this sign wey dey give us, they try to tell us say this sign so na e dey not separate the way leg and bicycle dey pass, the same thing wey I first talk before. But this road wey they come give us, so na road wey be say bicycle must conduct the way they drive e way they go for this place. Okay, because bicycle get power pass leg. If bicycle jam leg, who wan injure na leg. That is why they give the bicycle the rules, maybe say make conduct the way go to the control in hand. as they drive, they go for the road. Gonna miss you, and they be. Fine, number one question for there. Il segno regolatorio è posto di corrispondenza della fine del percorso unico pedonale e ciclabile. They don't call you ciclista, they call you ciclabile. Now the same word they dey talk. Ciclista, ciclabile, è vero. The place where they first give there, one cosia we make am be unico for that word, e don finish. Their two no get power again. They will first miss where they want to reach us. And then if they call there for the normal road motor they pass, they will see they be careful. Play their own rules, make motor not take jam them. Okay. Number three question, or number two. Il segnale figurato è posto di corrispondenza della fine di un percorso misto riservato sia per donna che a biciclette, è vero. The signboard they tell us now before say na way bicycle dey pass before but e don finish, wey dem be give dem make dem mix together, wey dey reserve for dem, wey dey reserve for leg and bicycle, e don finish. Any other question for here, e know how dey dey for you to read or for you to understand wey dey do the quiz wey you dey play am for your phone. Let's go on. This one na percorso riservato ai quadrupede de somma or da sella. That sella e no show well for there, but na the word wey dey write it for that one be that. Now, once we see this place, e mean say na guiding or na place wey dey for dey do horse sport, na dey for dey see this signboard. And that place so na only horse dem want make dey play for there. Na only horse dem want make dey race for there. Na only horse dem want make dey dey train or make dey dey follow dey move for that place. Anything motor, e no fit pass there. Even bicycle sef, e no fit pass there because they no want anything wey go jam horse, because horse e dey very expensive. And besides, people wey dey use the horse, they dey learn, or some they dey use am dey do sport on their own, come dey do practice. So they no want anything wey go be say e go cause problem between us and the motor. That is why they reserve am for just only us, make dem dey use that place. And they dey call am animale de somme, or they fit still call am animale de sale. Okay. So remember, salita na wey dey say make you climb, wey dey say make you climb something. Okay. The shenza no be that one now. That salita na dey cut short to come be called this sala. Now let's go to the question. I hope say you understand wetin I explain o, because with the board na dey tell us wetin they dey tell us. This board na obligo. Wetin they draw for inside na horse. Who climb the horse so? Na be that sale so. Okay, people go fit dey enter that place, na dem dey climb that horse. The horse, the animal wey go fit dey walk to follow that place, na be those summer wey dey put for that place. Number one question. Il segnale figurato è posto all'inizio di un percorso riservato ai animali da sale, è vero. This symbol, once you see am, make you know say e dey correspond to the beginning or the initio, which is the beginning, or the place wey be say dey reserve for animal wey dey dey climb. Okay, fit be even donkey sef, as far as dey dey climb am. Da sala. Number two, il segnale figurato è posto all'inizio di un percorso riservato gli animali da somma. Okay, da somma so they call dey refer am to this horse dem. Number three, il segnale figurato non consente transito ai veicoli, è vero. Motor no fit transit for here. No be just motor, anything wey don get 4 tire and above and dey use engine, na dem be vehicle, na dem no go fit pass here. Abeg for quiz, if dey tell you say anything wey get tire na be vehicle, 4 tire, no, na false o. Make you know say I tell you na false o. But wetin I mean by vehicle, na textbook dey tell us say all the whole autocarro, autovettura, autotrain wey we dey talk about, all of them together na be vehicle. They no go fit pass here. But if they wan call the specific, and they call dey use autovettura, autocarro, this and that and that and that. Number four, il segnale figurato non consenti il transito alle biciclette. Even bicycle wey no get weight, wey no fit jam something like that sef, dey say make e no pass here because they dey race for there, make him and horse no go collide. Okay, number five, il segnale figurato non consente il transito ai veicoli con motori elettrico. Okay, make you know say na electric engine your motor dey use. Then you come go say you wan go pass there, say no be fuel dey use, no be diesel dey use, no be gas, so they go let me pass there because my motor no dey pollute the air. No, they no gree make e pass there. As far as they don build am like vehicle, whether they use electrical, whether they use benzene now, you no go fit pass that place. They put some caution for them, make you read. I cavalli, which is horse, the cavalli they call horse. Okay, i cavalli sono un esempio di animale da sale. Okay, because horse na example of animal wey dey climb. Mentre gli asini na be donkey. asini, maybe donkey. Sono animale da soma, ok? They can address those one as soma, ok? Il segnale non pronuncia necessariamente la vicinanza di una scuola di equitazione, ok? This sign wey they put for us, so e no dey necessary to say the pronouns to say na near school wey dey for dey train all those animal. The last one, once we get beginning, we see they get a fine. The fine can't get only 3 questions where they tell us say il segnale raffigurato è posto number 1 question. Il segnale raffigurato è posto in corrispondenza della fine del percorso riservato agli animali da somme o da sale, è vero. Okay? Animal wey be say they use it, they carry load or they climb back, they no go fit pass here. They don't give us example. They give us donkey, asene. They give us cavallo, horse, because they climb horse, sala. Number 2. Il segnale raffigurato è posto in corrispondenza della fine di un percorso per gli animali del somma, è vero. Once you get animali del somma, let donkey per con your mind. Number 2. Number 3. Il segnale raffigurato è posto in corrispondenza della fine di un percorso per gli animali da sala, è vero. Once you get that, animali da sala, let us per con your mind. Now we dey for this place wey dey write here. This 3 signs so e be like the Vieto sign, but brother and sister, no be the Vieto sign. Na only 3 places for dey see this sign. 1 na for toll gate, 2 na for border, while 3 na for police. So you pay at ten tion well well. So when you dey do the quiz, if they bring toll gate question come for you for border question, you go say na falso. If they bring border question come for you for where police own dey, you go say na falso. So if you pay at ten tion well well, you know the names, you know wetin dey write for the name, and you know the rules wey dem dey play, then you go fit know the question. Only these 3 na be red wey mix to the blue wey we dey do the consist. If not, we for call am the Vieto, but no be the Vieto, na obligo na e still be. That's why they give us that time say obligo get 2 color, we get red and white, and we still get blue wey be the generale. Let's go now. Ata Dagona. This Ata Dagona, e mean say na border place be this. This border place so na obligatory say you go stop make dem search you for that place. The reason why na obligatory because na border. If you no already say they build am like this, they build am like this, and you don't know say this, you don't see this signboard. Na zoom, I don't know why I call it. Later no one for signboard. Okay, now go like this. You don't see this signboard say they write. Now for Italian language be this, so not be for French and other place. In case you say for that country, you know they go write for their own. Then for Italy, within Italy, say you want to move Italy, you call the near border. You can say this do Ghana, do Uane, do Uane. Just know say now that place na border checking point today. If you already do Ghana, you feel remember, no problem. Because they go write ALT, Ata do Ghana. You know, so you don't reach a border between Italy and another country. Or if you see do one for state, if it's possible, they go do one, but I not to say go dey for state to state and for country to country. Now, if you reach here, now must say you must stop. It's obligatory. You go stop, make they search you. You know your call, you speed they pass. Let me say you carry exhibit. You no carry exhibit, stop. Even if you carry exhibit, you know get you want to be there because the more you prove stubbornness or the more you want to prove sharpness, when you quick pass because you dey hurry, it will be problem. So whether you carry exhibit, no carry exhibit, if you read this place, you must stop because of this very signboard where you see. Just a elementary stop. If they call say make you go, go. But if they say if they say they want to control you, let them control you because that signboard don't tell you before saying obligatory make you stop. Now, more read the question sef. Number 1 question. Il segnale figurato prescrive di arrestarsi al vago dogonale, è vero. Now, this vago, so you just be able to call vasca, which is basket, so but they call it vago, which is the singular. Now, once you come now, you don't see this place, so you don't tell you say you arrestarsi, you go stop. Arrestarsi, you go stop because you don't see the signboard. You go stop. Now the controller will tell you make you go before you go. So not to say controller, no they see me, nobody see me, make your move go. You don't fall a victim. Sometimes say they won't even that you know whether it's a bit drag, whether you know your rules. Because all these police, most thing will take you patent a problem, then they go defend. So they go back to that say they never see you safe. Make you want pass so that make they pursue you with their machine. They don't get work since now. They defend when they want pursue, they test their speed. So me that will not be our pursue in Jesus' name. Amen. Number 2. Il segnale figurato obbliga a arrestarsi, affrontare, si decolla da doguna, ok? Frontare per il controllo dogonale, è vero. Those police with that place, once you read that frontale, so which is that border, so you must stop, make them take control you. you must stop. It's obligatory. You must stop. It's obligo. You must stop. Mandatory for you to stop. Number 3. Il segnale figurato indica che bisogna rallentare e fermarsi alle dogona è vero. It means say, once you see that signboard, you need to start to rallentare, which is you need to start to slow down. Rallentare, now the same is meaning slowing down. E fermarsi, you don't there, you can't stop because you just dey where border where they put this signboard. I think say this signboard not there, you don't need to stop. But if this signboard there, you must stop. Number 4. Il segnale figurato è il segnale di una vacco diagonale a quella è obbligatorio fermarsi. Now that vacco, I feel that basket still described by which is a vasca or drum vasca. Okay. Now they try to tell us now again because now singular, then they call vacco. Now, if you did this place, you don't already see all those bus with inside this place, so you don't see the buildings. You don't already know. Say they don't put this signboard for all those buses. You must stop. Then you go stop. Now obligatory, so you go stop. Now then go say go before you go. They not say go. They want search you. As you document everything, make them do in peace. Make you come out. The rest of question there you see. Attenzione, questa segnale 118 si trova solo alle fine con paesi non appartenenti all'Unione Europea. Okay, that to say this sign, so you go only see this sign for where it be say e dey na the ending of a country which is paesi wey be say they not get a connection with the European Union. That European Union wey they talk about, so they not say they not get connection with Europe. European Union, e get some country wey dey inside European Union, e get some country wey no dey. Like Switzerland, they no dey inside European Union. Like England, they no dey inside European Union. So European Union na border wey say they get their own star and their own flag wey say be like blue flag and blue stars go dey inside. So they try to tell you now say if you wan reach all those borders, so you go see this diagonale for there because European Union before you get free to the drive, they go all and flow without they not go disturb you because all of this inside European Union. But if you want to come out, go there, not be European Union, get that for me say you go see this signboard, they will control you. Il conducente deve arrestarsi anche se non è oggetto o messi da discerare da indogona è vero. Now, even though you not get load, which is messy, even you not get any object, you must stop there. If you don't get everything, say they want me to change you for that place. They want me to stop you. You must stop because of that very signboard. Still that another discussion for there. Nel caso di fine di stato non con paesi dell'Unione Europea, il previsto segnale e una relativo previsto sono trattati in questa libero e termina della capitolo 6. Where we say unfortunately, we not get safe for here. Maybe that one get with me for that court of law. Okay, now we did that place now. Then they try to tell us say that say signboard they first tell us just now. So that signboard now they put down for where be say if you see connect European Union state countries and those places so now libero you get free to pass that place. You just still be saying now warning we go see the relative sign make you take no say you dey near border. But if you dey for European Union you dey waiting, you dey libero. Questa libero a termina. You dey where free place because they dey European Union. So now so they talk about European Union. But if you dey for no European Union you must do waiting. Arrestarsi. Okay, now let's go. I will say that rules where they work where Italy they never formed European Union, but where they don't form and now it not go before Europe and for only Europe. Assume this one where because this one they call an Ata Policia. Now police zone, this one they talk about now. Once you see say police put her for road, wetin you need to know be say you go try to dey slow down because if they stop you, you must stop. Because police don put am for road, e mean say dem dey do control for road that day. You fit dey pass that road every time, but you no dey see am for there. But you just dey come now, you just come see am say dem put this Ata Policia for road. Limit your speed. Dey prepare in case they just point am say make you stop. And once they point am say make you stop, you must stop. Never talk say I see my house here, I don already reach house, why I go stop? Me I just run. No, no do that one. You must stop because they want search you or they search all the more motor. Not because of only we they go dey road. There's sometimes they want to know whether our particular correct or a particular correct, or they want to know whether we get the motor. So one or two things, let me the day road like that. That road not be permanent. This thing they dey and once me why. So when you see her, obey them and stop. More read the question. Number one question. Il segnale indica obbligo di arresto a una posto di blocco stradale istituto degli organi di polizia. È vero. Any road we say police already block they don't block am, you see that pallet on their hand, and you see this signboard for road. Now wetin dey tell us, obligo the arrest o, na obligo say you go stop. Though na there go point finger for you to stop o, okay? So but wetin you wan know be say dey slow dey come first in case dey say make you stop. Number 2, il segnale figurato obbligo a arrestarsi in prossimità di blocco stradale istituito da organe di polizia. È vero. Once you see this signboard, they try to tell you now say na must say the next place wey dem block so, police dey that place, you go stop. No be prossimità, prossimo no be next. You can't use prossimità di blocco stradale. You don already see the sign. You don tell you say na obbligo say you go stop o. Then the next thing you come go see police people dey block road. Wetin that one mean to you? They say make you stop. So you go dey relatare, as you don near there, they say vai, you vai. They say ferma, you ferma. Number 3, il segnale figurato segnale posto di blocco stradale istituto da organe di polizia alle quella è obbligatorio fermarsi. È vero. Where the day you don see am, you must stop. Okay? You must stop. No your run pass. See, they no see me. Na lie o. They dey see you. Slow down, dey come, make they observe you well. Make they know whether na person wey they wan stop you go be, or na person wey they no wan stop you go be. Number 5, il segnale figurato situato a distanza opportuno da posto di blocco è ripetuto all'attesa dell'appunto di arresto. È vero. They dey put am for distance and they go dey repeat am before you go reach the very place wey be say police don dey that place wey they want to stop you. È vero. Which means they go first dey give you the sign, dey come see say police dey block road o. So that to say once you don see am, just dey prepare because you don see am for distance. You must know say police go dey ahead of you wey dey control motor. And autostrada, I believe say they dey well because you no fit do reverse for that place. Ok, na attention, il presentare questa segnale, il emet only once before you ask question. Ok. Number 1, attention, il presenta questa segnale, i conducente deve arrestarsi anche se non vengono fatte segnalazioni della agenti. È vero. Now, they tell us now say driver must stop. Even though say he non see say is the sign of police, the agent say make e stop, he go stop. So wetin they try to tell us now be say you go slow, just show them say na stop you wan stop. E good make dem by themselves tell you say make you move. Now you go form say they not see me and they not give me any sign, make I just move fast. They go suspect you, they go abandon everybody, they go pursue that person don die yawa of the day with that. Okay, I mean they give us attention. The presence of this sign, even though say you can't find out say they not they see you, say no vergono, they not they see you. Fatte segnalazioni della agency, if they know they see you and you not see any sign, you feel like say they not see you. Now lie, they see you, make you stop. Not do say they not they see you, you want to pass. Can I be that one? I be the atta police here. No, but the last one, I be this place. So we say that they use a ticket till they pass the road, especially for state to state. And then for they make their money. Where our own for Nigeria police they collect 20 naira per person. And this one, instead of police, they embarrass people. They get toll gate for all state to state. So they make their own money. So they do the federal road, state road, and every other road where they the road. Okay. So now their own be this one. So now autostrada for the Sian. Not there for any other road. Now for only autostrada. If you see where they write Alta Stazione, it don't different from Alta Polizia. Though police fit dey there, but police not dey control you, except say na under specific control. We be say that person a suspect, maybe na dey take control that person. So you must buy your ticket before you pass here. You no fit just break the barrier wey dey that place, make you run pass. No. If you no get means to take that ticket, people dey there wey go attend to you. So they go let you pass. Then when you reach us, they go send your ticket, come give you for us. 24 hours e dey work. If nobody dey there, you will call number wey be say they'll take direct you, say as they'll come open am for you, make you pass. That time they don already stamp your plate number, drop your ticket for you for us. Maybe few days, your ticket will come with you for us. They're not going to increase the money. Maybe they'll ask what you put. Maybe say you take buy like credit. You know European with credit, they must get profit inside that credit. So that's where it be. So when you they come, we already see this Alta Stazione. Just know say you want to share that place. Number 1, il segnale figurato segnala una stazione autostrada alle quella è obbligatorio fermarsi. È vero. Now must say you go stop because they block her with a barrier. So that will say the reason why you go stop is say you know if you hit that barrier pass, you must pay money before that barrier go open. Or if you not get money with you, you must make requirement for that place, either through call or people wey dey work out there before they go put that barrier for you. that moment alone, you don't already stop. Now make it be obligatory di fermarsi. Obligatorio di fermarsi. Ok. Number 2. Il segnale focolato è posto una corrispondenza degli accessi autostradali controllati dove è obbligatorio fermarsi. È vero. The place wey be say the access wey you want to enter autostrada, because if you wan come outside you go see am, if you wan enter autostrada you go see am, and na the access be that. So for you to pass, you go buy ticket. The ticket wey you take pass for here, then you want to come out for the other side. That is why you no fit cheat them. Number 3. Il segnale focolato obbliga a arrestarsi all'accesso autostradale. È vero. Na must say you must stop. So no go dey stop motor dey your front no. If you know say you no wan use ticket, e get what they call telepass. You go do telepass, put am for your front of your screen, for your dashboard. As you dey come, the thing go just open for you where you go just go. You no get wahala. That telepass, you just like a rechargeable SIM card. So that one different. If you no wan do that one, you read there, stop and buy your card and go. Police no dey the one dey control you like say you carry exhibit, na because e make you pay and make am be obligatory fermarsi. If you get telepass, no be obligatory in a way for you again. Na to your relentare make e open for you quickly, you go go. The telepass no good, let me say you go see buy ticket be that day. Number 5. Il segnale focolato prescrive di arrestarsi alle castello autostradale per la operazioni di pedaggio. È vero. They call it castello, they call it pedaggio. They use the two names together come for this place. Is è vero. Mark the word. They call it castello di autostrada. They say they call it pedaggio di autostrada. They mix their two together now for you to know say na im dey talk about.